This is a nice room at such a value price. Just a little tipsy dust. I know I'm supposed to show off an empty room, but I like showing the fact that I pack way too much stuff, I shop, and there's still room in this value room. A beautiful armoire with a full-length mirror. I like this place. It's nice to be able to hide your stuff. There it is, all hidden. Big, nice bathroom. Fancy barn doors. Some artwork, microwave, refrigerator, sink, more storage space. Let's see the bathroom, shall we? Pretty darn nice, pretty nice, pretty nice. We're staying here for 6 nights for less than $600. Ironing board, all the amenities. And we are not in a handicapped accessible room, but there is still plenty of room for my mom to have her walker in the room and the scooter to be stored for us. This is a nice size room. Fancy barn doors. Ooh, gives you your Vanna moment. There's the bathroom. And this is a nice little ensuite to the bathroom where you can have the sink outside. Someone can still be getting ready while someone else is bathing. 2 separate rooms. Hair dryer, coffee machine. I have stayed at the Rosen Inn before and I have never been disappointed. They're busy sprucing up the place with a new coat of paint. They're going with a lighter white instead of the old, what I would have called turdy brown that they used to have. And you can tell they're still refurbing right now. They're in mid-process, probably part of the reason why we got such a great deal on the room.
Hey, come back, wherever you are.